Hi guys, hello everyone. Rahul here from the Photo Booth Connect UK YouTube channel and booth station slash Luxe 360 booths. So I know that we haven't done any tutorials on this on a personalized, made from scratch overlay for a photo booth. So we're going to do a 360 design today for a festival. That's paid very last minute, so we're doing the design now. We're not going to have time to have our design team do it. So I'm just going to run through everything, the whole process from scratch, and you guys can pretty much see how we do a design. This one's for a festival, so I'm making it on Lumen Booth. It's a 360, so I'm going to select 1080p by 1920, which is the pixel size. So that's basically what this is going to be. So it's going to be like a portrait shot, and we have the logo for the event as well. So what I'm going to do is just upload that now. So we've got that ready in Canva, and we're using Canva. So this is just the Canva app. It's the same as the website. We're just using the app on MacBook, but it will look the same for you guys. So the initial idea is that we're going to use this paint template, which I just found on Google. We did a quick Google search of Holi, and it came up. We're going to use this now. The way I'm going to do it is because the bottom here will not matter. The bottom of the design won't matter because that's where the 360 machine and the arm connects. So it won't matter too much about the design there, but the top's going to matter because you're not going to want people's head cut off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer this, and I'll probably magic eraser it out so that I have a side for each. So what I'm thinking is we're going to push the top up a little bit, so perhaps like that, and then yeah, I think that's good because the bottom doesn't matter too much about being selected. We're going to get this in. Yeah, I think that looks cool. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this layer by pressing this button here, which is duplicate, as you can see. It's going to do is bring me the other side, and then I'm going to use this just to bring that side down, so it's taking that part of the design out. So I don't even actually have to eraser there, but I will actually have to. Yeah, I'm going to have to eraser that because what it's doing is obviously cutting it and making a gap there, which is making that go over. But what I could do is bring this layer forward, see if that fits. So I'm going to bring that to the front. Okay, it does fit. I think that could do with maybe being up a little bit or over a little bit. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think that's good. Might make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, okay. And I might move these up a bit just so that there's some room. I might bring this down a bit, and I might do that the same because if you get something that's really tall, then that could probably be a bit of a nightmare. And I'm gonna try and see if I might magic eraser just that area there. So I think that's that area there. It's gonna be magic erasered, erase. What that does is it just selects it. It's gonna erase there, gonna erase that out, and go back. I'm gonna hit done when it's done. Yeah, magic eraser is done. So it's done that now. What I may do as well is just get rid of these on magic eraser so that someone can actually be seen. Otherwise the dots are going to appear on the video, and what will happen is they'll just be all over the people, so it might not look that good. So I'm just going to go in. I'm going to use a zoom as well to go into all those areas there, get rid of them, get rid of those, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, as many as I can, just so that it will look a bit sharper. Okay, so hit erase, it's erasing, gonna go back. Okay, cool. I think we've got something there, so we may have to erase that out. Yeah, I think that looks good to me. I may look at that. Yeah. Debating if I do a border on that. So, yeah. I'm just going to go back to the magic eraser. Make sure I definitely got all these out. Yeah, I'm going to erase that. And you know, take your time, guys. Like, get the design where you want it to be. You know, so you know, that's what I'll always say at the end of it. So I think I'm going to go to my layers and just have a look, because I think I need the left layer more than anything. So that's the right layer, so if you selected it, that's the left. So yeah, I probably need to get the left layer, just get rid of them too. Let's erase that. Let's erase that. Yeah, cool. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the border back to have a connection there. But then I'm going to magic erase the rest out. So yeah, that fits. A little bit up. So I know I want to erase like from here onwards, so I'm going to make my eraser massive and just erase all that out. Just so it's giving me like a side border really, and I'll go back so that fits. No, that don't look right. So I'm just going to grab that layer. Let me see if I can make that thicker, a little bit thicker. It's the way I've magic erased it actually. I may just leave the border out. Yeah, I'm going to leave the border out, I think. It'll make it simpler. Because if I do put a border there as well, it may restrict the design. But yeah, it's just using your creativity, guys. You can try it with a border. I mean, I think... I don't know. Could I get rid of a border there? Or is it going to make more work for me? And this is the thing you got to think with custom designs, guys. It's like just how much work it's going to make for you. So if I take that out, I'll put that there. Yeah, it's going to make a little bit more work for me. So I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to send this one and see if he likes this one. I'm just going to get rid of that green dot though, because that is annoying me. So I'm just going to always layer that on. So on the left side, there's a full side. Yeah, that could be on that one. So I'm going to have a look. Edit that, magic eraser. Yeah, I think it's there. Boom. Erase. Yeah, that's gone. So yeah, that's sorted. So yeah, that looks sweet. So we're just gonna bring that up. I think that could come down a bit now. Maybe a little bit up. Yeah, cool. And then I'm gonna go to elements, see if they have got anything Holi related. So they do actually on here have some Holi related stuff. So this is something you can do if it's like a seasonal thing. You can always have a look. Yep, so they've got something there. They've got one here. They've got a few paints. I wonder if I could put that in. Let's have a look. Nah, I don't think that looks good, so I'm gonna take that out. I actually preferred it before. So yeah, we've got this one here. We could see how that looks. Yeah, I think one there as well. So yeah, we could put one here as well. And there is a way to flip that as well. And I am going to remember. So flip it, it's there. There we go. I knew there was a way. Might just have to make that one a little bit smaller. Yeah, so there we go. That's like there. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just looking what else they've got here. So I've got this one, but I don't think that goes, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to keep it simple as that one. No, I don't think that goes either. But yeah, just to find that original image, I just went to Google, by the way, guys, and I just used that. But yeah, I think that's it. I think that looks alright, actually, to be fair. I may put one, I may see if I can put something there, but the thing you got to be mindful about putting something in the design here is that it could cut someone's head off. So even if you have your arms up at the right angle, it obviously could. So yeah, we're going to go with that, see what that looks like. Let's download it. Always remember, transparent background. Otherwise, you're just going to have a background on top of any video you do. And we'll see what that comes out like and send it over to them, see if they're happy. And yeah, so I'm going to put all this Holi Festival design. And that, guys, is pretty much how you can build one from scratch. You can use elements and you can add them in. Like I say, this square image here that I had, I literally got that off Google, but there was very similar in Canva as well, as you can see here and here. So it is just playing with it, layering it, creating it, using your creativity to what you think will suit your client. But hopefully this video has helped, shows you how you can build a overlay if you're just starting out and you perhaps don't have the money to pay for bespoke booth yet, or it's not an investment you want to do, or you want to even just take that extra time to do a design for someone. This is how you can make one on Canva, and it's universal really, the sizing for any software, but always just check it on each photo booth software you're using. So thank you guys for tuning into Photo Booth Connect. Please subscribe, like and comment, and we hope to be putting out more content real soon. And thanks again, guys. Bye.